It was December 24th, and the Dumb Bunnies were getting ready for Easter. Mama Bunny was stuffing the turkey. Papa Bunny was nailing the valentines. And Baby Bunny was giving eggnog to a merry group of carolers. "That's my boy," said Papa Bunny. Soon it was time for Papa Bunny to go and pick out an Easter tree. So he put on his winter clothes and got ready to leave. "Can I help you pick the Easter tree?" asked Baby Bunny. "I'm very good at picking things." "I can see that," said Papa Bunny. So Papa and Baby Bunny went out and found a wonderful tree. It was right in their neighbor's front yard. Papa Bunny took out his saw and chopped the tree down. Chop, chop, chop. Then Papa Bunny carried the Easter tree home. Baby Bunny helped a little. Later, Papa and Baby Bunny put up the tree, while Mama Bunny brought 3 big boxes down from the basement. "Now comes the fun part," said Mama Bunny. "I got to put on the lights," said Papa Bunny. "I got to put on the ornaments," said Mama Bunny. "And I got to put on the tinsel," said Baby Bunny. So they did. Then it was time for Thanksgiving dinner, and everyone pitched in to help. Papa Bunny carved a turkey, Mama Bunny tossed the salad, and Baby Bunny cut the cheese. "That's my boy," said Papa Bunny. After supper, it was time for the bunnies to celebrate their dumb holiday traditions. First, they painted Easter eggs. Then they watched a little football on the TV. And finally, they ran to the fireplace to hang up their stockings. "Maybe we should have taken our stockings off first," said Mama Bunny. All night long, the Dumb Bunnies hang around and talk about the true meaning of Easter. "I hope the Easter Bunny brings me $1 million, said Mama Bunny. "Oh yeah?" said Papa Bunny. "Well, I hope the Easter Bunny brings me $1,000. "I hope the Easter Bunny brings me a balloon," said Baby Bunny. "Now don't be greedy," said Mama and Papa Bunny. "Sorry," said Baby Bunny. That night while they slept, the Easter Bunny came in a nice red minivan, pulled by 8 flying pilgrims. The Easter Bunny gathered up dozens of the most beautiful eggs he had, and dropped them down the chimney. "Ho, ho, ho! Look out below!" he yelled. The next morning, the Dumb Bunnies were thrilled to see what the Easter Bunny had brought them. They had to admit that this was the most terrible Easter they had ever had. And they hoped their next Easter will be even worse.